This week we explore custom renovations and bespoke design, and I am bringing it all to you from this impressive full-floor apartment on the Upper East Side. Check out the proportions of this great room with 10-foot beamed ceilings, multiple seating areas, and a fireplace. Picture windows bathe the space in natural light and frame sweeping views. An adjoining library with its own fireplace just adds to the charm. And at nearly 50 feet long, there is plenty of space to let your design dreams just soar. The media room flows seamlessly from the great room, and the large kitchen is, of course, decked out with only the best. The private wing offers 5 serene bedrooms, including a luxurious, pin-drop quiet primary suite. This nearly 4,200 square foot home is a perfect blend of pre-war charm and modern design perched high above Park Avenue.